What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up with it? Watch this video to the end, yo. Check out what I got today, man. I got chicken and beef nachos with sour cream and 2 peppers on the side, baby. That's right, that's right. Ooh, man. That's messing with you. All right, y'all. Let me get with these prayers real quick. Amen, amen. Ah, man, look at these, boy. Woo, look at these nachos. Boy, look at that chicken on there, man. Boy, boy, boy. Boy. That's some good eating, y'all. But look at that big old piece of chicken, boy. Man. Feels so good, boy. How wonderful it is to eat like this every day, man. Ugh. Boy, that's good, boy. It's a shame me and my family, we don't like seafood, man. I can eat seafood every day. I don't give a damn how much that shit costs. But we just don't eat that bullshit, man. I don't know, it's just not our thing. You know, but fuck it. Oh shit, man. Them peppers hot, boy. You know, I know for a fact now that my neighbors is watching my motherfucking video, but they ain't saying shit to me about it, but I know they watching my video. You know, in one of my videos I told y'all about the white boy who walk around naked every Friday night. He been doing this bullshit for years, man. And all of a sudden, after I made that video, that Friday that came up, he didn't do it. It's like he just stopped walking around naked. And he shouldn't walk around naked no damn way. He got kids in the motherfucking neighborhood, man. The fuck wrong with you, man? Ain't no one saying nothing to his ass, man. Well, everybody know about it. But every time I made that video, he gonna stop doing that bull crap. You know, I see him now. I never really spoke to him. He always spoke to me. He see me now, he kind of like muting, like mean face me. I'm like, motherfucker, whatever shit. I don't give a shit, man. Man. So I was taking trash out today. I saw the white lady walking her damn dog and shit, right? And she walked past me. Said, "Tell your man, I'm watching you. I'm watching you." So that let me know right there and there. They watching my video. They just ain't saying nothing, man. Well, it's not so good, y'all. And they like my videos, or don't like my video, they get offended by what I say. I do not give a damn. Man. Ooh, shit, boy. Man. A lot, boy. Yeah. Ooh, boy. Sour cream something else, boy. Man, I like sour cream. I don't put sour cream on my nachos. You know what I'm saying, man? Cause my mind's corrupt. You know what I'm saying, man? It's like, man, you know, it's like I'm eating sperm nutting, like somebody nutted on my shit. You know what I'm saying, man? You know, that's why I don't really use sour cream a lot. Like somebody jacked off of my motherfucking nachos, man. Shit. Oh, shit. Woo, man. Well, that shit good, boy. Man. Boy, that shit messy, boy. Ooh, man. So check this shit out. Man, I've been getting a lot of emails lately. Good and bad. Positive and negative. But I got one in particular yesterday. It was some old Hispanic dude. I don't know what he Mexican, Cuban, Colombia. I know his ass one of those Spanish speaking motherfuckers, right? He was like, yeah, I live with no cliff, man. And we're gonna take over all the black neighborhoods. All the Hispanics gonna take over y'all neighborhood, man. We gonna say we kicking y'all out. You know what I'm saying? Shit. That what they playing in the whole beginning. Moving into our neighborhoods, trying to run us out the motherfucker. Like I'm trying to tell you, black people, them Hispanics ain't our motherfucking friends. They might act like they friends with us. They might act like they cool with us. But it's all cap. It's all front, man. Don't let them being cool with you fool you that they really like your motherfucker because they don't. The only reason why they cool with us or act like they cool with us because they trying to learn our motherfucking ways, man. Oh, shit. Oh, man, that's good, y'all. Ooh, boy. So he was talking about how he want to shoot me and shit. And I said, yeah, man. I said, where no cliff you live at? So he told me. I said, you know what? I got to go to Oak Cliff tomorrow, which is today. I said, I got to go take care of some business out there. I said, you can meet me out there. I said, if you got a problem with me, you got something you want to say to me, you want to take care of your issues with me, I said, I'll be at Glendale Park at 2 o'clock. Is that cool with you? He said, yeah, fool. I know he was Mexican. Because he said, yeah, fool. They don't want to talk like that. Yeah, fool. Yeah, fool. I live behind Glendale Port. I'll be there at 2 o'clock. Because you know, in Glendale Port, there's two sides to it. There's a street that divided. It's a busy ass street. I call it a freeway because it might well be a motherfucking freeway, but it's a busy ass street. You got this side over here and this side, and this side over here. I said, meet me on the side with the swimming pool at. Over there by the basketball court. And I'll be over there running the basketball court. I'll be wearing this shirt here, a blue plaid shirt. I'll be wearing a black hat and black glasses. That way you won't. That way you will know exactly who I am. I told you what kind of car I was driving. But he never told me what kind of car he was driving. He never told me what he was wearing. I asked him, I said, what you gonna be wearing? He said, I'm gonna be there, fool. And I'm gonna shoot you, fool. I'm gonna get you, fool. I don't like what you be saying about the Mexican people, the Hispanics. I'm gonna get you, fool. Well, come get me, motherfucker. I came by myself. I'm giving you the opportunity to take me out. So I got there at 2 o'clock, just like I said. Matter of fact, I got there early. I got there like 1:45. Shit. I'm waiting like a motherfucker. I'm emailing his ass back. Where you at, man? Where you at, man? Where you at, man? I even gave my phone number. I said, you can call me, man. What's up? What's up? What's up? Where you at, man? Oh, sure. Mother never got back with me. You see, I don't just talk this shit on camera. I walk through. I talk the talk and walk the walk. I don't give a shit, man. If you want to, if you got a problem with me, I give you a chance to sell this shit, man. Ooh, boy. I ran out of paper towels, yeah. I got back some more motherfucking paper towels. Huh? Yeah, I'm out. Ain't no more shit. Motherfucker gone, man. Oh. Woo, shit. So yeah, man, shit. I'm gonna give you opportunity, man. Whoever got a problem with me, all you gotta do is email me. We can meet up somewhere, man. But this motherfucker never showed up. I was there to I stayed at the 4 o'clock. I was there for like 2 motherfucking hours waiting for this motherfucker. If I got in my car and drove off, I was headed back to Irving where I live, man. Nah, I don't need no. I'm cool. Cause I don't live in the hood no more. Oak Cliff is the hood. I don't live in the hood no motherfucking more. So I come on back to Irving, right? 3 hours later, this motherfucker gonna text me. Talking about, yeah, fool. Yeah, fool. I live in California, fool. Motherfucker. How about that way? Them motherfucker talking about he live in California. I just want to see what you was all about. Talking about he was testing me, he was trying me. Man, shit, boy. And he gonna talk about, yeah, you a real nigga. I like you, man. I like you, man. I just want to see what you was all about. What kind of bullshit is that, man? Oh, shit. I might get this baby ass face. But believe me, I don't got this baby ass mind, boy. I don't got no baby ass attitude. A lot of people misjudge me, underestimate me, because I got this old baby ass face. But believe me, it ain't what you think it is. Woo, shit. Man. Then someone else emailed me talking about, Tony, yo, trying to get some shit started. I said, man, isn't that obvious? Of course I'm trying to get some shit started, man. I'm not going to deny that shit. Of course I want to get some shit started. That's the whole reason I'm on this motherfucking platform, because I want to get some shit started, man. Man. Man, boy, you some good nachos, boy. That ain't good, dude. Man. Man, boy. You know what's so funny about this whole thing, man? It's mind blowing to me. I'm sitting here talking, eating, and you two paying me for this bullshit, man. Can you believe that shit, man? Man. I look at my daily revenue. It just blows my motherfucking mind, boy. The money they paying me to do this bullshit, man. I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway. Cause if I was on YouTube but not on YouTube, I'm gonna eat and talk my shit anyway. I do this shit every night, on camera or off camera. I was doing this shit before I started my YouTube. Now I'm just getting paid for the shit now. Man. Ooh, boy, them pebbles hot job, man. I'm gonna say it like this, y'all. If anybody live in Dallas, Irving, or what the fuck ever, if you get offended by what I say, what I talk about, and you want to handle your business with me, we can do it. Or if you just want to contact me, you just want to chill and drink a beer with me, we can do that too. It's all up to you, baby. We can chill, barbecue, drink some beer, whiskey, or we can go toe to toe, or we can go gun to gun. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Man. Oh man. Man. It's whatever with me, baby. It's whatever. Man. But yeah, man. Besides all that, you know how I made a video? I'm talking about me going to the grocery store. And people want to check my bags and shit, and I just walk out and leave. Ever since I started talking about that, I go to the grocery store now. They don't fuck with me no more, boy. I think they be watching, I don't know, but they don't fuck with me no more, man. Shit, I go to the grocery store now. I go to that self-checkout line now. I probably could steal some shit now. But now, I don't steal. I got the money. I don't need to steal shit. I don't need to not ring nothing up, act like I'm gonna ring something. I don't need to act like I'm ringing something up and not ringing it up. I don't need to do that shit. I don't give a damn. A quarter egg cost $20. I don't need to not pay for this shit. Act like I'm, man, fuck all this shit. But they don't do it no more. Because so far, I have never said, besides Walmart, I never gave a location. In the other stores, I never gave a location. But I will give a location. But I ain't done it yet. Because I know a bunch of niggas right now. They ready to picket motherfuckers like stuff like that. But I ain't trying to go there right now. I ain't trying to picket no stores right now. But if you take me there, I will. Shit. Oh, man. Oh, I'm full, y'all. I eat my nachos, man. I'm feeling good, man. I'm gonna go take me some sleeping pills and lay my black ass down, man. And have me a crazy ass motherfucking dream. Woo, yeah. Until next time, baby. Subscribe, baby, subscribe. Like, share, comment, and all that bullshit.